Types. First of all, what is a software? We all react differently according to the situations. Have you ever thought how it becomes possible? Let us understand this with the help of an example. What happens when your teacher asks a question and you know its answer? You simply raise your hand, isn't it? What prompts you to raise the hand? It is the brain that gives you instruction to react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. Software is the soul of a computer without which it cannot exist. Computer is a machine that does not possess any intelligence of its own. A computer without instructions is like a car without a driver. It requires a set of instructions given by a user to work on. These sets of instructions are called programs, which are written in computer languages. Software is the collection of programs that are stored and run on computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. Software is that part of computer which cannot be touched or seen. Okay, students, hardware versus software. Which do you think is more important? Software is of two types, system software and application software. Do you know who is he? He is Vinod Dham. He is popularly known for his role in the development of the Pentium processor and considered as the father of Pentium. Let's first talk about system software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operation and internal working of the computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers the processed information to output devices. System software is of three main types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Operating system. Operating system is needed to operate a computer. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. Now let us look at an example for clear understanding. An operating system works like the principal of your school. As the principal has the various responsibilities to manage the school, like supervising students, teachers, and workers, maintaining discipline, the examination schedule, timetable, curriculum, and attending parents and visitors, etc. In the same manner, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of a computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in a school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of a computer is not working properly, then you cannot work on it. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are examples of some popular operating systems. Okay, students, let us now learn the functions of operating system. The main functions of an operating system are device management, input or output. An operating system controls the working of all input and output. I/O devices. Memory management. An operating system assigns memory to various programs whenever required. It also frees the memory when it is not in use. Run software. An operating system runs the application software like Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, etc. Processor management. An operating system manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. File management. An operating system keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy, and storage of files in an organized way. Security. It provides security by means of passwords to prevent misuse of a computer. Students, know the fact that software is usually written in high-level programming languages that are easier and more efficient for humans to use, closer to natural language than machine language. High-level languages are compiled or interpreted into machine language object code. Language processor. Each software is created by writing programs in computer languages. Some of the popular computer languages are Java, C, and C++. As we know that a computer can understand only the machine language, which comprises zeros and ones. Therefore, programs written in these languages cannot be recognized by a computer. Here, a language processor plays a vital role in translating the programming language into machine language. Utility software. Utility software performs specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or its programs. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system and help it to perform better. Some utilities help you to avoid virus attack, to take backup of data, to recover data that has been accidentally erased, and so on. These include antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, security, and network programs. You can buy various utility programs from licensed computer stores. Some utility programs are also available free of cost on the internet. Antivirus utility. Provide protection to your computer against virus attacks. They include tools to recover lost files and protect your machine against system failure. Examples: Avast, AVG, Norton, etc. Backup is the process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Occasionally, a hard disk may fail, resulting in the loss of all files stored in it. Hence, an intelligent user keeps his files in backup storage devices so that the original files can be restored at the time of such failures. Example: CD, flash drive, etc. Compression. It is a process that shrinks files so that less disk space is occupied. The files that are bigger in size need to be compressed while sending as an email attachment. These files cannot be read directly and must be decompressed to their actual form before use. Examples: WinZip, PKZip, 7-zip, etc.